Edmund is an avid collector of Pokemon, so we cannot have too many ways to organize them because he loves to organize. He was sent this one to try out, so let's give it a try. This came in a really nice packaged cardboard box with an outer wrapping to protect it. He's not seen this yet. Edmund, how many Pokemon cards do you think you have in your collection?
Like 2 million. 2
million? I don't doubt it. It comes wrapped in this protective cover, almost like getting a Chanel purse. Almost, not quite.
What's a Chanel purse? Is it like a $5,000
yeah,
purse?
It is. It's red.
Before we open this, you know how Japanese has all those like fancy knives, super well packaged? This is, I feel like there's gonna be 1,000 knives in here.
You can open on either end, and these boxes are magnetized.
Either end? That's kind of stupid.
So you can take the whole lid off. And the inside of it is red microfiber, very soft. Oh wow, this comes with so much stuff.
There's little cards you can put right there. There's 4.
Oh, that's for storing your favorite cards. That's cool. This is definitely one of those pieces that you leave out.
It comes with a little box.
Yeah, right here. No? Does it slide? Oh, there it is. Oh. Everything has been wrapped so that it does not get messed up in any way. These are in pristine condition. This lid of this tiny little one also comes off, and the inside of it is also red.
This can probably hold like 100 cards.
You need to see the stitching though. Look at that beautiful stitching.
Yeah, this looks like something from Japanese. Pretty nice one. It looks like a coffin, so any ripped cards that I have, I'm probably gonna put in here. No.
The coffin. Okay, what else do we have in here?
These?
What do you think this is?
They're little shapes of...
They look like snowflakes.
Yeah.
We don't actually know what these are. Oh, they're dividers. I bet, yep, they're dividers. These are absolutely amazing. I think... Well, we won't give our decision yet. We'll give stars at the end, but look at this. That's the divider. That is amazing. And you get 5, 6. There's 10 of these, and they are really nice dividers. These are very thick plastic. My only concern is that they're kind of hard to get on the box. Let me show you. I love that the lid comes all the way off because when you're trying to work on these kinds of things and that lid is flopping around, boy, that can get annoying.
And also it could break the lid.
They're kind of hard to snap on. You have to pry it apart, which I guess is both good and bad, because if it was easy to snap on, then that would mean it's easy to come off. You just have to get it open and then it slides in. This thing inside of there is as sturdy as can be. It's this super soft micro suede. And these dividers, this is brilliant.
There is one thing that I don't like about it.
Okay.
The dividers kind of ruin the theme because it's like red, death, and then it's just like, oh, bright and colorful snowflakes.
You're right. You're right. You're absolutely right. I see exactly what he means.
So it's like,
it takes away the...
Yeah, it's like an anime, and there's a sun doing...
Yep, you're right. I totally get that. They made a mistake making it snowflakes. They should have made these black, and they should have been super sleek like the box.
They should have been like a skull.
Yes, yes. These are labels, 2 sheets of these labels, so if you want to label your dividers. All right, and then what do we have here, Ed? What are these?
I only have one of these, and they're from a box that, you know that blue worm box I got from GameStop?
Yeah.
It came with one of these, and see that right there? You're supposed to clip it onto a bottom bit, and it's like a magnetic case. I think you're supposed to slide through there, though.
Yes. You can tell he really knows what he's talking about, because I would have never thought that's what you did with it. Let's try it with one of your cards. Do you have a card handy?
Card in. You put it in next to that metal bit. It has a bit of wiggle room. You cannot put them in sleeves in here, though. I have tried. Pretty nice.
And then...
And you just slide.
Oh, that's amazing. I love that. Love it, love it, love it. We're going to go ahead and slide these in there for safekeeping.
You're supposed to slide the magnet
upside down.
Up.
Okay.
This one's also
My bad. My bad.
Failing with moms. Some dividers. These are beautiful. Look how pretty that green is. It doesn't catch well on camera, but that is gorgeous.
There's 2 of each color, And that is what the labels are for, these dividers, to be able to organize them however you'd like. And you don't have to put Pokemon cards, of course.
Flexball cards.
Okay, let's try to see how these fit in there. Perfect! They fit perfect. They
And
don't
they don't
move.
fall out.
They do not move. And the reason we're so excited is because he has another one, and these dividers are slightly too big, and so they wiggle around. I wiggled that one loose. It's not its fault. These are meant to go like this.
It has a nice soft velvet, so it won't hurt the sides.
Yeah, these fit in there perfectly. Wow, I'm really, really, truly impressed with this. If you collect Pokemon cards, let us know how big...
This!
Let us know how big your collection is below. And if you don't collect Pokemon, but you collect something else, tell us what your collection is. Edmund, what are your thoughts on this? And
Best thing ever.
don't let my thoughts change what you're thinking.
Best thing ever.
How many stars would you give this?
11 out of 10.
11 out of 10. Okay, so would you say this is your favorite out of everything you have? This is really and truly beautiful, and this is a display piece. If you are looking for a way to beautifully display any of your cards, I recommend this. And again, I think this, having the lid come off, is a great feature. It just snaps right back on.
The only downside of this is those snowflakes.
Yep, we'll probably use these for something else since he doesn't like them. And why do you even need them when you have these gorgeous ones in here with all the beautiful colors that stick in perfectly?
If you don't subscribe, you're going to be in a card in one of these.
You can find Edmund's favorite organizer in the description, and I will link the video with some of his other things there, and you can go and watch all of them and kind of decide. Out of all the things he has to organize, and I'm not exaggerating when I say he probably has 20 of them, he's saying this one is his favorite. What a great gift this would make also. If you have someone in your life who collects cards, would you have been happy to get this for Christmas? Yeah. I think he's going to be organizing the rest of this afternoon.